Alright, people, so we start today's lecture. In this, we'll be talking about how do we tweak our learnings, how do we tweak our method of learning for different exams. And yeah, you all can again fire up the questions in the chat box. Yeah, we talk about MyCat as well, Tejashwi. Alright, so first of all, we start off with CET, of course, because there are a lot of people who keep asking me ki, how do we change our preparation when we are done with CAT and we move on to CET? So yeah, that's how we start the today's lecture. Hi Saili, yeah. Akashdeep getting 99.99% in 6 months. Question Magya. Hang on, just a minute. Alright, so first of all, what do we do after we're done with CAT? See, for me, if we were well with CAT, if we had studied for CAT, we are already done with 50% of CET ka, preparations. This is for me. This is how I believe. And of course, portion to almost same hai. You just have to change how you solve all those things, right? So yeah. So CET mein, first of all, you all would be know this is the thing that everyone says. It's the speed. So how do we increase the speed and how do we learn those topics again? So there are topics like numbers, geometry, जिसमें बहुत भारी questions आते हैं for CAT, and you have to learn in depth for CAT when it comes to those chapters or any other chapter. Whereas in CET, uh, we just have to know a few rules. We just have to know a few formulae for the questions of CET. So जैसे कि CAT में if I'm solving, एक रूल लगाने से हमेशा मुझे आंसर नहीं आता. I have to keep using 2-3 things to get the answer. Whereas in CET, अगर मुझे वो रूल या मेरे को फॉर्मूला पता है ना, तो आई कैन इजीली फाइंड दैट आंसर. ऑफ कोर्स सब क्वेश्चंस में ऐसा नहीं होता, बट फॉर मोस्ट ऑफ देम इट इज लाइक दैट. सो जैसे नंबर्स एंड ज्योमेट्री में हमें हमारी फटती है व्हेन वी सॉल्विंग दोस चैप्टर्स इन कैट के मॉक्स, उतनी नहीं फटेगी इन सीईटी मॉक्स. ठीक है, बिकॉज सीईटी में जस्ट यूजिंग दैट फॉर्मूला या फिर दैट थियोरी, उसमें कुछ वो लोग ट्वीक करके देते नहीं है. सो दैट इज व्हाट यू डू फॉर सीईटी. So this was for quants. Okay. Swapnil, you are asking me how what is the transition from CAT quants to CD quants? This is what you do. एकदम in depth जाने की जरूरत नहीं, but you should have touched everything. ठीक है. Probability, PNC जिसमें सबको डर लगता है कैसे होगा क्या होगा, बस ऊपर ऊपर से करना है. You just have to know इसमें क्या था, derangement क्या है, नॉर्मल अरेंजमेंट क्या है, सेम लेटर्स को डिफरेंट बॉक्स में डाला तो क्या होगा, डिफरेंट लेटर्स को डिफरेंट बॉक्स में डाला तो क्या होगा. सो या ये सब बस पता होना चाहिए. एनी क्वेश्चंस ऑन दिस? आई एम कमिंग टू लॉजिक, आकाश. Those whose quant section is weak, can we do basic 5 topics for quants? Are you talking for CAT or CET or like in general quant? All right, listen. Uh, when we're talking about CET, तो उसमें you don't have to leave any section यार quant में, because trust me CET में quants is easy. अगर तुम्हें पता है वो चैप्टर में क्या है तो you're done, you're good to go. Whereas this is not the case with CAT. CAT में सिर्फ चीजें मालूम होने से you don't get the answers. थोड़ा दिमाग लगाना पड़ता है. Of course CET में ही लगाना पड़ता है. But it's not उतना जितना you're using for CAT. Alright. So should I be doing CET mocks right now or just focus on CAT right now? After you're done with CAT, I'm talking about things that you should do after you're done with CAT. Alright, अभी से ये सब CET का मत सोचो. So first you have to study uh, well for CAT, and उसके बाद we do these tweaking वाला चीज़ें for CET. एरावत वर्बल में मेरी फटती है बहुत. My accuracy is not increasing. Alright, so okay, so this was for quants. Now when we're talking about verbal, वर्बल में या कैट में RCs आर क्वाइट डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी एज इट वाज वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी कॉम्प्रिहेंड नहीं होता है बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू CET में द RCs आर वेरी इजी ठीक है डिफिकल्ट हो भी सकता है बट ऐसा नहीं कि द क्वेश्चन वुड बी वेरी ट्रिकी यू विल फाइंड दोज आंसर्स इन द RCs itself सो या वर्बल में RCs आर रियली स्कोरिंग सीधा अपने को आंसर्स दिखता है इन द RC सो उसमें फटने वाली कोई चीज नहीं है रावत ऑलराइट easy topics and cons यार there aren't any such easy topics question difficult कर दिया तो यार that chapter becomes difficult question easy कर दिया तो that chapter becomes easy so ऐसा नहीं कि PNC probability या tough chapter उसके very बहुत easy questions भी आते हैं both in CAT and CD so don't leave any chapter alright when we are coming to DILR now so according to me there wasn't a lot of difference when it came to um, passages in DI and LR ठीक है तो LR में sorry passages नहीं sets so LR में the only difference is the traditional logic तो traditional logic अपने को काफी मिलता है in CET so which is why we could score more in CET so वो तो definitely अपना अच्छा होना ही चाहिए and it's easy traditional logic is very easy so and when it comes to sets so yeah sets में I don't think there's much difference in CAT and CET so there's not much you can do for sets in CET. Please tell me about the CET puzzles, how you prepared. यार CET के puzzles के लिए I didn't prepare anything different. जो CAT के लिए मैंने किया था, that was the same for puzzles in CET. So yeah, that's how it is for DILR also. And yeah, the only difference in CET is abstract. And abstract I think उतना time नहीं लगता है to learn it's just finding the pattern क्या किधर जा रहा है क्या कैसे जा रहा है and it's yeah it is very easy so you don't have to worry about abstract so in short you just have to increase your speed for CET when you're making a transition from CAT to CET हाँ yeah true Swapnil yeah so yeah CAT ZAT के लिए once you've prepared तो या तुम लोग ने हाथी के लिए प्रिपेयर किया है एंड या दिस इज चिंदी सीट इज चिंदी सो या दैट्स हाउ यू शुड थिंक how to improve calculation speed see this I've told in the previous lectures as well you should know about speed maths and you should also indulge yourself in learning a few tricks shortcut methods or different type of questions because you don't get utna time that you get in CAT. So yeah, that's how you improve your calculation speed. DILR में कितने sets easy होते हैं कौशिक यार I can't answer this because different slots में different sections tough easy होते रहता है तो किस किस में DILR is tough किसी किसी में it's easy so stop worrying about those things just keep learning keep practicing कैट के DILR में कैसे टैकल कैसा कॉन्फिडेंस हिल जाता है या अभिजीत आई नो कॉन्फिडेंस हिलता है इन कैट के DILR इवन आई यूज्ड टू सॉल्व जस्ट one or two sets during the mocks but you should go with an open mind when you're going for the CAT exam because trust me थोड़ा mocks में ये लोग difficult डालते हैं and CAT में you can solve 3 to 4 sets easily okay so now when talking about my CAT so my CAT में यार you have to give CAT ZAT या GMAT एक तो पहले and then you should appear for my CAT because they consider both the exams my CAT plus जो भी तीनों में से जो भी exam दिया होगा and I remember when I gave my CAT तो my CAT का level is very easy when compared to CAT का The only different thing is एक तो psychometric test करके ये लोग का एक होता है जिसमें जिसमें I would have solved I think सिर्फ एक दो बार I would have practiced psychometric and after MyCat I was qualified for the further process of MyCA. So see MyCat में थोड़ा practice कर लोगे psychometric का it is थोड़ा mixture of being diplomatic as well as being consistent. So वैसे करके you solve your psychometric and when it comes to descriptive writing, so you have to be a bit creative when it comes to descriptive writing. So these are the two things that you should practice before MyCat, and rest everything is pretty much simple when you've completed your CAT का preparations. And yeah, थोड़ा GK भी पढ़ना होता है and GK में MyCat में it's more about brands, ads. So yeah, that's how you should tweak your preparation for MyCat. How to deal with vocab for non-CAT. So yeah, what you can do is you can daily learn a few words, 5 to 10 words. Make a note of it. This I've told in the previous lectures as well. Make a note of it and keep seeing those words every day and try to use those words every day. So that's how you improve your vocab. What's the weightage of puzzles in CETR Airavat? Again, it keeps changing. And what I remember, it's around 6-7 puzzles in CET. Ravi sir tells 2 slots are easy in CET exam and 2 difficult. No, nothing as such, Anisha. सब एक जैसा होता है. Just they tweak a little, a few sections here and there. बाकी difficulty it's same. Repeat one more time how to increase speed. Again, uh, practice speed maths and keep looking for alternative ways of solving a few questions in which you're taking time. So you can find these methods in the solution, or you can go to YouTube and type how to solve this kind of question, this particular kind of question. So you get a lot of shortcuts and keep using that in your mock so that you get used to using that trick. कैट में कौन से सिलेक्टेड टॉपिक्स पे फोकस करना चाहिए यार? हिमांशु ये सबको पता होता है, सब नहीं कर लेते. JVIMS accepts MyCat. No, Akash, it's just for MyCA. JVIMS के लिए CET, MAT, ATMA, CMAT. Okay, so moving on to other exams, MAT. So I'd given MAT and I'd given it I think तीन चार बार तो मैंने दिया ही होगा MAT. So MAT का यार problem है, if you want to get into JVIMS you have to be the topper. And for that it becomes very difficult, but the exam in itself is very easy. Even when you compare it with CET, it is simpler than CET. And MyCat mein again we've got 200 questions, 150 minutes, and it is simple when you compare it with again CET. So अगर तुम लोग को मैट देना है तो you all can give it for practice, या फिर you can even try to be the topper. अगर फर्स्ट आ गए तो great, you get into JVMS. या फिर CET का थोड़ा practice हो जाता है because you increase your speed, you try to cover more questions in a given time. So same goes with ATMA as well. So ATMA में we've got 6 different sections. 2 quants के, 2 verbal के, 2 DILR के. And ATMA is also easy when you compare it with CET. उसमें भी वही है यार, you have to be the topper when if you want to get into JVMS. So in short, if you're preparing for CAT and CET, you're automatically preparing for MAT and ATMA. So yeah, मैंने अपना speed वैसे increase किया था. I used to keep looking at the solutions, and even if I've got that question correct, I still used to look at that solution and see कोई different method है क्या to do that question quickly. How much time should we invest for CAT exam daily according to you, Shikha? So yeah, what you can do is you can give 2 hours to each and every section. so that you could cover each and every one of them every day. Is that true? YouTube पे मिलेगा? Yes, yes, बहुत सारे shortcuts YouTube पे मिलेंगे, and आप लोग के portal पे भी होगा. What should be the target for JVMS? Akash, you should prepare एक तो अच्छे से for CET, and बीच में you can keep giving MAT and ATMA, and uh, prepare as if you're gonna be the topper of MAT and ATMA, so that you're well prepared and you can perform well in CET as well. So I do think कि मेरे MAT and ATMA देने के वजह से I was able to perform better in CET when compared to the last year. Siley, what about NMAT? See, I haven't given NMAT, but NMAT is kind of again speed ka game. It isn't as tough as CAT. So yeah, you have to be a bit good with vocab for NMAT. And yeah, CMAT versus CET for JVMS All India seats. Yeah, definitely CET. CMAT mein again you have to be the topper. So I don't prefer CMAT. I don't think it makes sense if anyone wants to get into JVMS through CMAT, because एक तो यार उसमें GK VK भी होता है and you have to be the topper. So not easy. So any tips for ZAT? See again, ZAT, for when I gave ZAT, according to me ZAT ka level is a bit higher than CAT, especially when it comes to verbal. Verbal में यार मेरी तो बैंड बज गई थी for ZAT. So if you all are good with verbal, you all should definitely give it a try, and हो जाएगा यार if you're good with verbal, and you can even improve yourself. थोड़ा पढ़ के थोड़ा improving more on verbal section. Does Matt have negative marking? Yes, they've got negative marking, Raj. How to prepare for logic section of non-CAT while preparing for CAT? First prepare for CAT, then we'll see for non-CAT. पढ़ाई अच्छे से नहीं हो रही, क्या करे दिग्विजय? सबकी प्रॉब्लम है ये, मेरी भी प्रॉब्लम थी. What you can do is थोड़ा ब्रेक ले लो आधे एक दिन का, and then get back to it. And one more thing, just don't keep studying. थोड़ा टाइम पास भी किया करो. ऐसा नहीं कि full day you're just studying. थोड़ा what you can do is exercise, थोड़ा बाहर खाने वाने चाहिए. So yeah, this is what I used to do. So थोड़ा you remain motivated. You're in which college and in which year? Yeah, I'll be getting into JVMS Nitish जब ये लोग का खुलेगा admission. Sir, CMAT में GK is important part. Yes, you have to score well in GK as well. So for CAT, speed math is necessary. Yes, it is necessary. You can't just open the calculator every time and keep solving. So yeah, speed maths चाहिए, सबके लिए चाहिए. Yes, Raj, math has got negative marking. You do not have to be a topper in CET for JVMS. No, cutoffs can vary, and it's usually 99.94 percentile, 99.95 percentile for CET for JVMS. So which exam should we target for JV Prema? You should ideally prepare for CET, and you all can give other exams like MAT and ATMA just for practice. But if you're confident enough, अच्छे से तो MAT and ATMA and try to be the topper. When is MAT exam conducted? यार होते रहता है. You'll have to check the dates. बहुत बार होता है MAT. आप क्या करते थे चिल करने के लिए रावत? यार ये सब मत पूछो मुझसे. कुछ नहीं यार, नॉर्मल जस्ट गोइंग टू द रेस्टोरेंट ईटिंग, थोड़ा फ्रेंड्स के साथ टाइम पास, नॉट जस्ट स्टडिंग एवरी टाइम. थोड़ा ब्रेक दो खुद को, सो दैट नेक्स्ट टाइम व्हेन यू सिट अगेन टू स्टडी थोड़ा दिमाग लगेगा. या How much time should we invest it to CET a day, Akash? यार एक दिन मॉक दे दो, एनालाइज कर लो अगले दिन, फिर वापस मॉक दे दो, वैसे करते रहो इफ यू आर डन विद द सिलेबस. ब्रेक डायरेक्ट 3-4 दिन का हो जाता है. नहीं यार ऋषिकेश, नो, ऐसे मत करो यार प्लीज. आधे एक दिन का ब्रेक लो एंड देन बैक एट इट अगेन. हाउ टू प्रिपेयर फॉर जीके डिपेंड्स ऑन विच एग्जाम यू गिविंग. एंड उसमें भी चेंज होते रहता है. सो जैसे माई कार्ड के लिए इट्स ब्रांड्स एडवर्ड्स, बाकी दूसरों के लिए इट्स स्टैटिक जीके, ये सब. तो फिर आई माई सेल्फ वॉजंट गुड विद जीके, तो मैंने जीके वाले एग्जाम्स में इतना ध्यान नहीं दिया था. बट इफ समवन इज गुड विद जीके, you all can attempt exams like MyCat and CMAT. Some MAT and ATMA के through for JV we have to go through GDPI also. No Shrishti, you don't have to. At least अभी तक तो नहीं. We might never know कि future में क्या हो. Just join CET अभी से फटी पड़ी है. नहीं, टेक बेबी स्टेप्स, धीरे धीरे प्रिपेयर करो आकाश. ऐसा नहीं कि एक ही दिन बैठ के पूरा कंप्लीट कर लोगे. How did you analyze mocks? Soham, I've made a video on how to analyze mocks. Have a look. CAT में time and work difficult हो रहा है? No, Rushika, it's a very easy topic. Watch a video and basic से पढ़ो. You'll be good with it. Sir, cut off of CAT for my cat. Yeah, Tejashri, I'm not aware of as an exact cutoff, but I think they consider, I think 50% of CAT. So get good marks so that MyCat में थोड़ा कम भी आए तो you still would be, qualified for the further process. सर कौन से एग्जाम्स देने चाहिए कैट और सीईटी के अलावा? शिगा, दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन विच कॉलेज यू आर एमिंग. यू कैन गिव IFT, यू कैन गिव ZAT, एंड सीईटी के साथ साथ यू कैन गिव मैट एंड एटमा. सर आज से ही सीईटी का स्क्रैच से प्रिपरेशन किया तो क्रैक हो सकता है, या बहुत टाइम है यार. Stop thinking about that and just start. Any other question, people? So I think I've pretty much told you all ki how do we tweak our preparations for different exams. And yeah, how to prepare for IFT. IFT के लिए again I think कि it's almost same as CAT. ZAT is a bit more difficult than IFT and CAT, and IFT and CAT according to me is at par. So yeah, just थोड़ा पैटर्न वैटर्न के इससे तुम देख सकते हो थोड़े दिन पहले कि how's the pattern. बाकी according to me difficulty is pretty much same. Thank you, Shika. Some mock में quant negative score आ रहा है. तेजस्वी, initially आ सकता है maybe because you are attempting more. Try to limit your attempts, and जिसमें definitely you're getting the answer, try to mark just those answers and देखो if you're improving. How to prepare for quants, DLR, yeah, I've already told you all this. Alright people, I think we'll call it a night. I hope तुम लोग को ये session useful लगा होगा, and I hope you all take this advice and prepare well, work hard. Alright, see you all then. बाय।